Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are installed. Visual Studio with the desktop development with C++ workload and the Windows SDK. Once done, open Visual Studio and choose Create a new project. Pick Console App and set language to C. You must add a C source file explicitly and set the project to use the MSVC toolset. Make sure to save the solution in a clear folder. This gets the environment ready so you can compile immediately. Now you write your code in main. C, include stdio. H, and implement main. Next, configure project properties. Under C/C++, set the language to C11 or C99, adjust optimization and warning levels, and add any include or library paths. Once configured, use build then build solution to compile. Watch the error list and output panes for precise diagnostics. If you see warnings, address them. If errors occur, double-check include guards, and to finish, run your program with Start Debugging F5 or run without debugging Control plus F5. Use breakpoints and the autos/locals/watch windows to inspect variables. Step through code with step into and step over to trace logic. Once satisfied, produce a release build for distribution. If something goes wrong, clean the solution and rebuild, and make sure the MSVC toolset and include /library paths match your SDK. One key tip: misconfigured include paths are the most common build blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.